like it.
Tim, you need help.
Really? Do I need help? Because I think you're gonna need help in about a few seconds or so. How about you go to the library, check out a book of torture, and torture yourself for 2 hours straight?
Ow! Oh, fudge.
Who are you? Just hold on. How'd you get in here? Come on, you know you like it. What?
Must be the chameleon circuit.
Oh, try again.
Right.
TMIX.
Oh, try again. Oh, baby. I don't like it.
Home sweet home.
Maybe the doctor was right. After my incident, that was just horrible. I don't know why I couldn't stop him. Maybe I can help him. Maybe if I try hard enough, I can help anybody. But then again, no. Yes, I will help everyone. The interwebs. Always grateful. Moving stuff with your mind. Making things happen with your mind. Telekinesis. Okay. So, the user is able to control things abnormally by thinking about them. That explains why he was able to do that. Seems like they haven't faced anything with this power. Well, there's a reason for that. Something has happened to you. Was there anything abnormal that happened to you? Okay. So, it's about the same time the TMIX landed. The user... Oh, that didn't work. Must have been the Time Vortex energy. That must have been what did it. This monstrous occasion. How much time do we have? By my calculations, 48 hours. Yes, we have 48 hours to do this. Onward. Time Vortex will kill him in 48 hours. I cannot let him die. I must do everything in my power to stop this. Oh my, I dreadfully need new clothes. I guess it's dress-up day.
I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your love. I need your love.
Yes.
I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your love.
Dang, I thought that would work perfectly without it. Oh well, onward.
I need your love. Am I dreaming? Will I ever find you now?
You gotta believe me. Where could he have gone? I cannot lose him!